No, we didn't fight.
I appreciate you, my brother, for inviting me in. At first, I didn't believe it, but you didn't believe it. But yeah, when I start seeing the way, the things are flowing, I was like, yeah, this is it. You know what I mean? So yeah, like I said, if it wasn't for you, man, I wouldn't be here. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, now we starting.
LSSC!
Bravo.
La force tranquille, j'ai
Good for them. There are many poor doctors. There are many poor professors. They know they have all the titles on earth, but their life is miserable. But there are people who never went to school, whose lives are very, very good.
That's true.
So I learned in life that it's not what you want people to see you, it's what you want to see yourself. If your idea is always, I want people to see, oh, I'm this, I am this, people don't care about you. You think they do? You are the one caring what. In the end, when you're in your house, it is you who knows how much account is negative, how much is positive, how much loan you've got. So when LSC came and it was brought by somebody from WFG, first I said, let me listen.